What's up, y'all? We have the July Premium BOXYCHARM this month. There's a lot of good things in here. This month's box is actually a themed box, or a themed but a collaboration box, I believe. So Norvina, ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills collaborated with this box. So all the products in here are Anastasia Beverly Hills and Norvina. So very exciting, very expensive, pricey products. There are definitely a couple things in here that are going to be just top shelf. So the BOXYCHARM I receive is $35 a month. I do get the premium box. I was getting the regular box for a little while, and I just was not happy and decided just instead of stopping BOXYCHARM altogether, I thought I would try the premium box, which retails for $35. And I've really been enjoying the last couple boxes that I've gotten with them, so I think I'm going to keep going with it. This was definitely a win for the premium box. I would love to know if you subscribe to BOXYCHARM, if you're getting the regular box, or like the base box, I think they call it, or the premium box. And if you like the premium box, if you're upset with the base box, if you're always happy with the base box. I wish I had been always happy with the base box. Before we get into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you leave. Now let's get into this premium July box. All right, we have the July. Why is this always so hard for me? So we have the July premium box. The premium box, I almost just smacked myself in the face. The premium box this time around is full of Anastasia Beverly Hills goodies, which I was excited about. So for $35, here we are. Got this big box. Look at this sucker. Let's open her up, see what's inside. So the box is in collaboration with Norvina, who is Anastasia, like the Anastasia of Anastasia Beverly Hills' daughter. Her name is actually Claudia. I don't know the reasoning behind the Norvina, but it's got like her labeling in here with the BOXYCHARM premium label, and then we have this ginormous card here. Automatically looking down here, you get buy one, get one 50% off on AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com. Oh, so that's nice. You just get buy one, get one free. That's pretty nice. The code is ABHXBOXY, by the way, so take advantage if you like. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in this box. First thing in here that we're going to be using is the Hydrating Oil. This complexion boosting oil is infused with a Blancans inspired ingredient blend for beautifully hydrated complexion. Hydrating Oil features oils derived from jojoba, borage, blackcurrant, rosehip, meadow foam, and aromatic lovage leaf for radiant skin. Apply several drops morning and evening to face and neck. This retails for $45. So we're gonna do a couple drops of this. I have really just, I think I just put a CC cream on. I mean, I guess this would be like, probably not something you put under makeup, but we're just gonna do a little bit of it. Smells nice. Smells nice. It's definitely like that tea tree smell. Very nice. And it's a glass bottle. I like just like the simplicity of it. I think it looks expensive. All right, so the oil is kind of the only skincare product in here. We do have a setting spray. I'm gonna wait till the end to use it. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the rest of my makeup that I can, and we'll come back to the box. All right, so I have on majority of the makeup. I think I'm gonna go in with this clear brow gel. This retails for $22. Pretty self-explanatory, but sets color, holds brow hair in place for a clean, polished look. All right, so I do already have my brows done with the Brow Wiz, so Anastasia product there. So I'm really excited. I've never tried their clear brow gel before. I've tried their tinted. I like this. It's very light. It's not goopy. Definitely something I will like take in my makeup bag when I travel. All right, we have a loose highlighter. The Anastasia loose highlighter in Peach Fizz. Oh, it's got one of these like, you have to like peel out the inside. This could take a second. Ha! Do a little swatch real quick. So I'm just gonna take my highlighter brush here and a little swirl and tap. think that's pretty. It's subtle. It's way more subtle than I thought it was gonna be. I take back any of the bad thoughts I had about this highlighter. Yeah, it's not like crazy. It's definitely more subtle than I thought it was gonna be. So I like it. I mean, it's definitely, there's definitely glitter. There's definitely some glitter in it when you're looking like in the mirror. So if you've got in this, I think it looks great on the camera, but in my mirror, like it's definitely picking up on like texture, pores and stuff that I have right here, which is what it is. All right, we have two more things. We have this dual shadow brush, which is pretty little. And then we have this thing. This little brush retails for $16. And the palette retails for $60. So Norvina palette here. Norvina Collection Volume Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1. 25 deluxe sized high performance shades for professional grade artistry with maximum payoff. Oops. A little bit of a red flag here, which I think we've seen before with other makeup lines, but there are disclaimers with this palette. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There are 17 shades out of 25 shades that say they are not intended for use around the immediate eye area. I'm sure it just, is it gonna stain? What's the problem? Is it gonna irritate my eyes? Very colorful, very pretty. Beautiful colors. Like, you just look at this and it's just like, you can do so many things, you know? And like, there's so many colors in here I would probably never use. But something cool to have like in your collection that gives you options to have those colors if you need them. Very large mirror as well here, like a white. Cool. Based on those claims, it makes me a little nervous. Like, what the frick are you supposed to use in here? But we're just really gonna focus on how it blends and how the shadows just look and feel. I'm gonna go with my normal fluffy brush, and then we'll bring out this little blending brush maybe for like a crease or under eye situation. All right, I think I'm gonna go in with E3. I mean, right off the bat, I think that's a really pretty color. Like, you could literally just pop this on and go. Like, it's not super yellowy, but it's a nice like neutral color. I am a big fan of any Anastasia palette that I've ever purchased. The colors blend beautifully. I'm always like, why do I never use this more? So I bet all of these colors are very, very similar to a lot of Anastasia products, eyeshadows specifically, that are come in the other palettes. Like, I can't imagine they would go with something like so different than what they already use formula-wise, because it's pretty near perfect. I'm going to take this C2 shade right here, which is a kind of a shimmery yellow, and just pair it with that and be done. You know what I might do is I'm gonna wet this with the setting spray. Got a little thing here to click and make sure it doesn't spray in your bag. But it's glittery on the outside. I do not think it's glittery on the inside. I think that's just kind of just the packaging. So I'm gonna spray, it's kind of a flatter, just like a flatter side of this brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray that and go into that C2, that kind of gold color. Oh wait, it's been a minute. All right, so I'm gonna tap into this. I don't know why I wiggled it around in the air, but I did. All right. Yes, see, like these shadows are beautiful. I don't know why, like those claims make me nervous, but like, I have no doubt that they're all gonna look just as beautiful. All right, I'm gonna use this setting spray. I don't know why I get so nervous. There are definitely like some water droplets on my face. It's kind of a heavy mist. She good. All right, I'm gonna finish up my eyes and I'll be right back. All right, so let's tally up the remainder or all of this box. The premium box does retail for $35. This whole box, $194 in products. I really like a theme box. I think that was something really cool. I would definitely love to see that again. Not mad about it. I like the eyeshadow palette. The claims make me nervous, as I've said a million times. I'm not mad at the highlighter. I think it's really pretty. I think my favorite thing in here is probably the clear brow gel and the hydrating oil. I'm gonna use those a lot. The setting spray was okay, definitely left like droplets on my face. I might see if somebody else wants to try it, but not mad about it. It doesn't have like a weird smell or anything like that. It's just kind of a heavy mister. The little brush, $16 for this little guy. I don't think you need it. I think there are plenty of other, you know, drugstore brushes out there that will do the job, and you don't have to pay a $16 price tag for that. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video before you leave. Please don't forget to also subscribe. I hope you're happy, I hope you're well, and I hope you're having a good one. I'll see you next time. Bye.